Hello all. Hello all. This is Nithya, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Applications. Now we are going to see the topic ODBC using data access objects. Open database connectivity. A Windows technology database client application connect to an external database. The database vendor must provide an ODBC driver for data access. Once the driver is available, the client machine should be configured by this driver. The destination of the database login ID and password should also be configured on every client machine. This is called a data source. The user can configure multiple data sources with the same or different drivers on the same machine. Using ODBC, it is possible to access heterogeneous data from any client. The open database connectivity architecture has three parts: a driver manager, one or more drivers, one or more data sources. Creating an ODBC data structure. Any application can access an open database connectivity database. The ODBC drivers must be installed under data source name created using the control panel. DSN is used whenever a reference is made to an ODBC database. The following steps are undertaken to set up the Oracle data source. On double-clicking the ODBC configuration option under Control Panel, a list of ODBC data sources is displayed. Note that various data sources associated with various drivers exist. Our objective is to create a new data source using ODBC driver for Oracle. Select the Add button to add a new ODBC data source. A list of ODBC drivers that are currently installed in the system are displayed. Select the ODBC driver for Oracle. Steps for creating ODBC data source name on the client. Double-click on the Oracle ODBC driver. The Oracle DSN configuration dialog box is displayed. It gathers login and connection information. Enter the DSN as XYZ company in the DSN box. Enter the description as XYZ company database in the description box. It provides username as user1 and the server name as server1. Click the next button to continue and display the screen that allow us to choose more options. Click select button that allows us to choose appropriate translator. To see list of ODBC drivers installed in the system, the drivers tab must be clicked. Using ODBC with DAO. The properties and methods of DAO can be used in conjunction with the ODBC type database. The open database method creates a connection between the application and the ODBC database and assigns it to a database type objects. This is the sample syntax using ODBC with DAO. Move first method is used to point a record set to the first record of the record set. Move last method point to the last record of the record set. Move next method is used to set the record set to the next record from the currently accessing one. Move previous method is used to point the previous record from the current one. Add new method of the record set is applied to add a new record. Update method saves the changes. The user has to save the changes after entering the details. The update method of the record set objects saves the contents of the edit buffer to the record set objects. Delete method of the record set object is used to move the record set pointer to the next record. Finding a specific record. A particular record from a table can also be viewed using the find method. VB supports 4 find methods. Find first method finds the first record satisfying the specified criteria, searching for word from the beginning of the record set. Find last method finds the last record satisfying the specified criteria, searching for word from the end of the record set. Find previous method finds the previous record satisfying the specified criteria, searching backward from the current record. Find next method finds the next record satisfying the specified criteria, searching forward from the current record. Adding a field to a table. A field can be added to an existing table of a database at runtime by appending a field to an existing collection of fields. Example, adds a new field called address to the employee table of the employee detail database. Append method, in association with an object, is used to add a new element of that object to already existing ones. Deleting an index from a table. Deleting an index is similar to the way a table is deleted. The following code deletes the index name index, which is earlier created from the index collection of the employee table. Using transaction to control changes. To enforce data integrity, a set of operations must be considered as a single unit. VB supports 3 transaction methods, that is, begin trans, commit trans, rollback trans. These methods are associated with the workspace object. Thank you.